Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I didn't get a chance to record any intro this morning. Couldn't pick up the camera. I did up and rush to the bank and I don't know how the whole bank situation go. So before we get into the video, just letting you guys know that these are the clips that I got today for Vlogmas day 11. So let's get into the video. Guys, I got some good news. I'm proud, baby. Come here. I love you. Ooh. Nice. Oh, Max finger phone now. Daddy? Woo. Guys, when I come to my mother, I don't understand. I don't understand. Yeah, swing a bad. Mine a drop. Slow down. Yeah, alright, Didi. Come tell me what you learn at school. What you learn at school today? Subtraction? What's that? What's that?
My teacher.
Yeah.
5 2. Take away 2, 3 left. So 5 take away 2 equal 3.
Good girl. Ooh, guys, look what my mom gave us. Jason, me. I can't just run the game. In run the back room. Is there no long me not see creamy? You're happy now?
Give me a fork, I make this ice cream. No man, no. No man, no. Eat ice cream.
Oh, everybody's happy.
Honestly.
Woo! Come back at me yard. Mommy, I never yet get a chance to ask you a question here. I'm more your honest answer, and that's why I'm not saying nothing to you. I'm more your answer on the camera. You have to tell me exactly how you feel. So how you feel with me doing YouTube, me having a YouTube channel, knowing that I grew up and I did always want to be one nurse.
I feel good. I feel proud of you because I never know you're in a spotlight so much. You're really shy. You're really shy and fool.
And I lie, I have to admit it, a true.
Yeah, I feel proud to see how you uplift yourself because we are come from far, all heap of struggles. We are all heap of struggles and to see how you shine. I feel good and I feel happy when you say Jason motivate you and when you say you might do the same thing as you, so you can put together as one and do a great job and inspire people, can realize they inspire a lot of people and I feel so proud because it reminds me of me We are always there for somebody. Even we can't give them anything, we can give them good encouragement.
That's true, I'm mad at me get that from.
So I feel happy, very, very happy. And I love that. I love how you're kind and always be there.
Where we get that from?
Well, I get you all of me. All of me rub off.
Listen, my mother pack up with clothes them here. If you can't go country. Ever hear something, Gassa? When we talk about with clothes, it can't fit you. With clothes can't fit with.
Yeah, me always take them clothes.
Alright guys. To be real honest, me never record much. I'm not even gonna lie. Today they just start off because I went to the bank and I don't know nothing good to come after this. I don't know the whole bank situation. It pack. Yeah, it not good. It not good none at all. So when I went there, me spent like 3 to 4 hours outside waiting just to go inside. When you go inside, you get a number for customer service. And that I want next 2 hours again. So that did take up all of my time. But me still try to like, get like a clip, every now and then. So yeah, after that I went to my mommy when I go see all of those clips. And would you just talk, laugh, just catch up on some old stuff. And yeah, because whenever I'm in a one good mood, my life will just grow with my mother and my baby sister, them, my niece, because really and truly, them really make me happy. Plus Jason was there, so when we see all of that clip there, in regards to Christmas, me soon start season my meat and start for decorate. When I say decorate, let me be specific. I won't be having any Christmas tree. I don't remember if I telling you that, but we did a plan to get a Christmas tree. Now it's 11 and me just feel like say Christmas tree to put up like from the 1st of December. That's what me think. And now at 11, so I said that can't slide, but what I want is the lights to go in the ceiling. I don't know that light that were run by I can't explain it, but I want the light there. If we don't know where we sell it, when you can comment it below. Plus I want the thing to go on the door, which is the wreath. I say, Kabir?
No, sure.
Yeah, that's something that will go on the door. So I want that. And I think that's about it for Christmas. In regards to the table and the table runner, I soon do it. Like, when I soon say all of that. That's another vlog, like somewhere down the 15, because I want to start everything like from the 15 going down, because from the 11 to the 15 we're gonna be on the road. I get some stuff done, like buy up like a season, look at this, look at that, just for the day for cook. And then after that I should think we're gonna be home from there on. So yeah, that's how the plan. So I'm gonna see all of them lit vlogs there. Like today just another day. I'm super sorry, but because we are family and because we are the vlogmas, I have to come and make you know what really are going. And every day it's gonna be fun, and every day I'm gonna get something more love. But me still not making you go to bed without a vlog. And the comments them, I don't know, wanna make me emotional. Like when we reach through the comments, I feel like I want to cry. Just to see people say, sleep I kill me, but I decide to not sleep without the vlog. Them stuff that make me really like emotional, and them stuff that make me push harder. I did I talk to mommy today and I asked her how she feel about me doing YouTube and all of that. Music did I play in the background, so I have to cut out most of the videos, but she emotional and she's proud, and I never get a chance to ask her about it, because really and truly, you pick me left school, you not listen to hear them say, me gonna turn YouTuber, mommy. Because be honest, like your mother, some of our parents really don't know what is YouTube. So if you send a picnic at school for how much years and hear them come out and say, mommy, say YouTube my thing there, guys, make no parent, make no mother or no auntie who's to ever want to stay with understand what it is. Show them say it can work, show them say you love it, and show them say that's what you want to do. Don't just get up and say, oh, I might try, because them really don't know. You have to explain to them. So me appreciate the fact that she support me on the journey. And not only me, she encouraged Jason. And, you know, it just give me that extra comfort there. I know I could have get the comfort because Jason motivate me, so that I did like comfort, but it wasn't 100%. The fact that my mother come in now and like support the thing is like, it's so easy. You know, easy, but the fact that you get somebody where you really love and care about them feelings, support the thing, that make it really comfortable. So I love that. So she, you know, me love so she express herself to them. I wish you could have seen all of the video, but music in the background. I'm super sorry about that. Hopefully I can get her on another vlog to explain again. But I love that because I not lie, my mother really support me. I when the idea lay, my mother call me. Mother will call me and say, "Why we cannot do the little video there?" Yeah, my mother do that. And, you know, me just really appreciate that. And me appreciate that she could have, you know, come around, because growing up, me did always say, yo, a nursing my thing there. I went to registered nursing school because, you know, life took a turn. So I went to registered nursing school. I did phlebotomy. And here am I today. Life took a turn. And in a life, we have to learn to accept changes and hope for the best. Yeah, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 50K. Bye guys.